So in this Kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book hotels with free cancellation on Kayak.com. So once Kayak.com's opened up, I want you to go ahead, make sure that stays is selected. If it is, it'll be highlighted orange. Type in your destination, type in your dates, and then press on search if all looks good. For this example, I will use Los Angeles, California. So once you're on this page here, I want you to go to the top to where it says all filters. I want you to go to where it says freebies right here and then press on this drop down arrow. Then once you're here, I want you to go down to where it says free cancellation. Press on this, make sure that it is checked, and then press on apply. Now once that is done, what your search is going to be refining to is different hotels that offer free cancellation. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book a hotel with free cancellation on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.